In this module, we are going to talk about equal rights, responsibilities, and opportunities. Economic discrimination of women. Women is often treated in an inferior way. Advertisements. This work, this is I am quoting from source. This work is only for men, but women can do it. Women, when a boss has to recruit, he is more likely to choose man because of a perception that women can leave. Men get higher designations in companies. Women are often offered less salaries than men's. Again, you would find in there are some lacunas in it. You may have different experiences that men are being marginalized and women are preferred. So again, it is in the perspective of different societies and communities, it is happening. Aesthetic. In the magazines and movies, woman is presented as a beautiful object. Women are expected to look young and smart. Beauty of woman is socially constructed and she is supposed to meet social standards of beauty. This is where the West has marginalized women. They are trying to make woman a product, a commodity, and they try to cash that commodity or that product. But on the other hand, women in the East usually believe that Western woman is more, having more rights as compared to the rest of the world women. What I understand that women is respected more in East as compared to the West. It is my perception, may be wrong, and you may disagree with this. Education. In many societies, women's role is confined to domestic chores. Although, due to globalization, momentum of feminism, and westernization, many women are getting education, yet they are often constrained not to continue higher education. In many cultures, parents prefer sons to study. So, again, we have to say that it varies from place to place and community to community and state to state. We cannot generalize these things in any society. In order to provide equal rights and opportunities, women should be empowered in the following ways: protecting girls and women from abuse, stop child labor, take strict actions against female trafficking, early child marriages, and other related offenses. Undoubtedly, these should be the measures adopted by the state or by the government on efficient grounds to provide such basic things for the prosperity, health, and I would say respect of the woman in any society. They should be offered training, education, counseling, medical care, small business loans, women empowerment policies, and programs, ensuring that these programs reach women and girls at global level. Even in Pakistan, different small business loans are being given to women on efficient grounds, and there is also was a scheme in previous government in which scooties were given to women for moving around more comfortably. So different governments work differently for providing more and more facilities to women in any society.